Installing Sill-Rite sills is quick and easy and requires common tools that you likely already have. Make sure you obtain a printed copy of these instructions. The printed instructions include a tools and materials list as well as step-by-step directions. Start by measuring and marking the center of the window opening. Measure and mark the center of the sill. Place the mark on top of the sill, but at the back end. Align the center of the sill with the center of the opening. With the sill centered, mark the location of the left and right jambs onto the sill. Tilt the sill and slide it all the way into the opening. Mark the depth of the jamb on the end of the sill. Tilt the sill the other way and mark the other jamb. Using a small square, extend the markings so they intersect. Before cutting the sill, you may want to apply tape to the base of your saw to avoid scuffing the sill. Cut along the markings using a saw with a finished wood blade. Make sure you don't cut past the intersection. Use a fine grit sandpaper to clean the cut edges. Dry fit the sill in the opening to make sure it fits properly. Make any necessary adjustments. Apply 1-inch balls of polyurethane construction adhesive on the bare sill. Space the balls approximately 3 inches from each end and 6 inches apart. Apply a continuous bead of caulk in the sill slot on the back of the sill. Use a weatherproof paintable caulk. Insert the sill at a slight angle. Make contact with the window and then pivot the sill down in place. Push down firmly. Either set weighted object on the sill or insert a couple of small finishing nails until the adhesive has set. Apply caulk to fill any small gaps due to uneven surfaces. That's all there is to it. Now stand back and see how attractive your